Hello guys, I'm just going to make this quick video, and it is going to be a quick one, but I'm going to try and make it quick. As far as I'm concerned, there is one stage of prepping a car, cleaning a car, whatever you want to call it, that is most important, hands down, beats them all. If you want a clean looking car, I'm not talking about actually, oh hold on, let me sort Alfie out. Do you know what, I love that little dog, but he doesn't have to bark a lot when someone walks past my house. So as far as this stage goes, it is one simple stage, and it will make any dirty car look clean, and it will make a clean car look how it should look. You can spend a week on a car, detailing it, doing whatever you want to it, mopping it, putting glazes on it, putting coatings on it, but if you don't do this stage, it will never look good, ever. That's what I'm talking about. I'm going to try and prove it now, because as you can see, this Qashqai is absolutely filthy. Got bird poo all over it. It's been sitting out for dust all over it, dirt all on everywhere. It isn't a clean car. However, when I do this, I'm dropping it all over my driveway. Sorry, I don't usually make it that slapdash, but I'm in a little bit of a hurry. Smidge of a hurry. Got to shoot out after this. And there you go. That is it. That simple stage makes a car look complete. I mean, look at the difference between the front and the rear. That car is filthy dirty, but because it's now got shiny tyres, it looks clean. The scariest thing is, I get a lot of customers that come to me and say, oh yeah, they've seen a lovely car on Auto Trader, it looks amazing. And you think, well, hold on a minute. I'm sure it does look amazing. The problem is, because you could cover a car in WD-40 and make it look amazing in a still image. But I also have lovely customers that have bought cars off me and they want to keep them the way that I've prepared them. And they spend hours and hours and hours polishing them, and they come round, Kev, come, I'm going to come round, let you look at the car. And they turn up with a beautifully clean car and brown tyres. And I black the tyres for them, and they're like, oh, that's amazing. But that is a difference. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to clean this car and get it all clean, and I'm going to leave the tyres brown so you can see the difference. So here we are, guys. It is now a day later. I've just spent a day completely rotary polishing this car. It's been rotary polished twice. I've conditioned all the plastics to make it look as lovely as I possibly can. I've even acided the tyres and jet washed the tyres to make them as black as I can make them without treating them. Now, to me, that car still looks nothing. Just looks like, I mean, it doesn't look presentable at all, but the car itself is spotless. I mean, look at the, there's no swirls in it. There's not, I mean, that's almost been 100% corrected, almost like it's been detailed properly by someone that sort of knows what they're doing. But so what I'm going to do now, I'll take a quick image of that there, and then I'll paint the tyres. I think I'll quickly speed that a little bit up. I don't think we need to see me painting tyres again, do we? And there we go. Tyres all dressed. And just, I mean, just look at the difference. Now it looks like a stunning car, which in still images, oh, got that BMW in front, which in still images it just makes it look so much better. But obviously in real life, that's a difference between a car looking amazing and just looking almost ordinary. I mean, please, by all means, put some comments below. Let me know what you guys think. I mean, is there a more important stage? Oh, road's busy today, isn't it? Is there a more important stage? I've sort of been addicted to tyre dressing since I was 17. You know, all my mates used to joke about it. I wouldn't go anywhere without shiny tyres. I've obviously got a few issues, but I do think it's a massive difference. Do you know what, guys? I'm going to try and back up my theory here. I've just cut away to a different. Obviously, Cash Guy's gone, but this little A-class has just come in, and it is hanging. Wheels are curbed. It's filthy dirty. How do you get a car this dirty in the summer? And I think it'll be exactly the same with this. Tell you what, I'm going to quickly pull this out. There we go. So we'll take a quick still image of that. Then I'll shine the tyres up. Getting a little bit of a deja vu feeling here. Then I'll take another still image. And that's just sort of what I'm getting at. You know, clearly I'm not saying all you've got to do to prepare a car for a retail sales pitch is paint the tyres. But I am saying if you don't, it will never look the way that it should. Let me know, guys, what do you think? Do you know what, guys? I've got to quickly cut away there again. You know, I'm going to do it on this Volvo because I've just realised that I'll probably make a mistake in as far as the brand, the type of tyre shine that I use. I'm not saying what I use is the best, but what I will say is get one. If you want the look of like a high gloss, almost a wet look, buy exactly that. Don't buy. So what I buy, yeah, it's a trade one that I buy, and it isn't available to everyone. However, they're all pretty much the same. If you go on the likes of eBay or anything like that, get one that comes in a bottle that you apply with a brush like this, because the ones that you apply with a brush, you can apply as much of it as you want to, and you can apply it where you want to. And because it's self-applied as in with a brush, so don't get, a lot of people might disagree with me on here, but don't get one that is applied with, don't get a gel that is applied with a sponge, because a lot of the expensive ones are gels that are applied with a sponge, but they're more for making the tyres like a darker colour, and yes, a black, they almost say back to the look of when it was new, but it won't give you that high gloss shine. It will make it blacker, it will definitely make it better, but it won't give you that high gloss shine. Also, don't get one which is applied in an aerosol, because the aerosol ones, they look quite good for a few hours, but they go very dim very quickly, and then when they get rained on, they go brown again really quickly. Go for one that is described as high gloss, wet look. Most of them will be silicone based. Go for that type of one that you brush on, and then you'll be all right. Thanks for watching this one, guys. I will, it's a bit better, a bit of a short one. I will see you on the next one.